Hello everyone. Welcome to Ciferon. Today, we'll see how to set up direct selling product inventory in Ciferon. Let's start. First, we will go to menu and then click on items. Now we will search the selling product for which you want to manage inventory. Like we will search water bottle. Click on edit. Now you can see the item has already marked as sales. So we will mark as inventory also, because this product will be sold directly and also you want to manage inventory. Now click on Save. You can do the same procedure for bar liquor, direct selling product like beer, 180 milliliters bottles, etc. Now we will assign Inventory Master to the product which we have marked both sales and inventory. To assign Inventory Master, go to Inventory. Select Inventory Master. Search the item or product. You can see the product is inactive. To activate it, click on Add. Select Purchase Unit like we are selecting box, 12 PCs. Select Tax Type. In User Input Value, enter your purchase price. Select Tax Category if you select Tax Type above. Now click on Save.